this video, we are going to see that if your Valorant driver or the graphics driver is crashing or not working, here's what you can do. First of all, just open up the search menu and write device manager here. And what you need to do is just click on the display drivers, just click on this little drop down, and whatever drivers of Valorant you have installed, search the relevant graphics driver and just right click on that, click on update driver and click on browse my computers for drivers and choose this option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And you can select the manufacturer specific driver if you have one. Otherwise, you can go with the simple version as well, which is recommended. Or you can click on have disk and locate that driver that you have already downloaded, or you need to choose it from a disk or an ISO image. So you can do that as well. Click next and give that a moment until it refreshes the drivers, and the screen might flicker a little bit. And after that, just close out of here and restart your computer once. And once we have done the restarting process, what you can do is just go to your favorite browser and just go to google.com. And after that, just right here, let's say we are using an AMD laptop. So we can use AMD driver detection tool, hit enter, and we will see the official website where you can auto detect and get the relevant drivers. So this website is able to auto detect the driver and recommend you some drivers as well. We can use any of the tool, like the first one or the second one looks more relevant in my case, because I know that I'm using this Ryzen 5 laptop. Just click on that. And from here, just click on this link, how to get drivers using auto detect tool. Just click on that and it will take us here, download and setup. We will click again on this and let's click on AMD drivers and support page. So this is the auto detection and install driver updates for AMD Radeon. Just click on download drivers. And by the way, guys, if you want to reach to this point directly, what you can do is just click on amd.com /en/support/download and you will get to this link. I'll also link this with the description of this video. And once we have this downloaded, we can just click on open file and click yes. And once we are here, it will show you that it's checking your PC hardware for drivers and software compatibility, and then we'll recommend you for the latest driver. AMD software install cannot proceed as no AMD graphics hardware has been detected in your system. Because I'm using virtual machine, it won't be able to detect my graphic driver, but after that it will recommend you and you can continue and proceed with the installation of that driver. So hopefully that should resolve your problem. If not, what else you can try is just open up the search menu and right here CMD, which is for command prompt. Just right click and click on run as administrator, click yes. And here we just write a simple command of sfc, give it a space, then a / and then just write scan now. Scan now will be combined with one word without any spaces. Let's hit enter and it will begin the system scan. This process will take some time, so just sit back and relax until it completes the process. But for the tutorial purpose, I'll just fast forward this process and show you the end. And once that is done, you can close this window and restart your computer, and hopefully after that your issue will be resolved. So hopefully that should help. Just try this by yourself, comment down below if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.